Good morning, students. Good morning to all. I am Muthulakshmi. So, in the last classes, you had seen Unit 1 Prose, learning the game, and Unit 1 poem, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, written by Robert Frost. Did you memorize the poem? I believe that you have memorized the poem very well, I think. And also, you must do the homeworks. Whatever I have given, you do the homeworks. Okay, children? Today, we are going to see that Unit 1, Supplementary Reader, The Envious Neighbor. So, The Envious Neighbor, taken by a Japanese folk tale. Okay. So, in this story, the main characters, honest old couple, greedy old couple, a loyal dog, the prince. These four characters are main characters in this story. So, what is the story? This story about the neighbors. So, you know the meaning neighbors. Who are all living near with us, we say neighbors. So all neighbors are good, isn't it? In one or few neighbors they are not good. So in this story, we are going to see about the two neighbors. An honest man lived with his wife. They had a pet dog which they used to feed with fish and tidbit from their own kitchen. Okay, one day when the couple went to work in their garden, their dog stopped at a place and started to bark. Wow, 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 it's barking. When the couple dug that particular place, they found gold and silver pieces being buried there. When they buried there, they found a treasure box like this. So they gathered the treasure and after giving alms to the poor. So they gathered the treasure and after giving alms to the poor, bought themselves rice fields. So the remaining things they have used themselves rice fields and corn fields and became wealthy people. They are not sitting with the treasure and they are not lazy after getting this treasure. So they become wealthy people. Their neighbors who were stinky old couple, that means greedy old couple, envied them, found them, and borrowed their dog to see if they could find any treasure with the help of the dog. Okay, they led the dog. So they led the dog from the good couple and out into the garden. It walked along the garden without any barking for a long time. So the dog walked along the garden with the greedy couple and without any barking for a long time. At last, the dog stopped at a certain spot and began to sniff. They hastily dug the spot. Who hastily dug the spot? The greedy couple. But found only dirt and nasty things. Furious at being disappointed, the greedy couple killed the dog. When the good old man came to know that his dog was buried at the root of a pine tree, with a heavy heart, the good old man worried about this. So, with a heavy heart, he burnt incense and adorned the grave with flowers. So, what is the incense? That means the batti. So, he burnt incense and adorned the grave with flowers with the in the buried dog. That night, the dog appeared to him in his sleep and instructed him to cut down the pine tree where it was buried. So where the dog was buried, it was buried below the pine tree, under the pine tree, isn't it? So the dog instructed him to cut down the pine tree and make it into a mortar. Make it into a mortar. See this mortar picture? And to use it, thinking of it as if it were the dog itself. The old man did whatever the dog said in his dream. The old man did that as he was told to do, but when he ground his rice in it, so he put the grains in the mortar. Each grain of rice turned into some rich treasure. So each grains turned into some rich treasure. Seeing this, the wicked couple, greedy couple, borrowed the mortar also. But as soon as they used it, all the rice turned into filth. What's the meaning filth? Umi. அந்த ரைஸ்லேருந்து அந்த கிரைன்ஸ்லேருந்து அரிசி கூட கிடைக்கல filth. So in anger, they broke it and burnt it. So they broke the mortar and burnt it. One night, the dog appeared again to the good old man in his dream. He told him to sprinkle the ashes of the burnt mortar on withered trees. Withered trees means what's the meaning? Dried trees. So the dog told him to sprinkle the ashes of the burnt mortar on withered trees. The trees would revive and bloom with flowers. See this? The trees would revive and bloom with flowers. He obeyed the dog as instructed, bringing the dead trees to life. So the good old man gave life to the dead trees, dry trees. A certain prince utilized his power. So now the prince utilized this old man power and gave him a rich reward. So he gave the old man to rich reward. But envious neighbors got tracing from the gods of the prince when they tried to do the same act. What is the same act? They are also got the ashes and sprinkled to the dry trees. Finally, when the good old couple heard of this, they sent for the neighbors and gave them a share of their own riches. So, what happened before that? When the greedy couple sprinkled the ashes to the dry trees, it became black, and ashes also spread the prince's eyes. So the prince's eyes affected by this ashes. So the prince gave punishment for the greedy couple. He gave punishment for the greedy couple because of his effect of the eye, isn't it? Then after finish the punishment, the old couple heard of this. They sent for the neighbors and gave him a share of their own riches. So this time also the good couple gave the one part of their amount. After this incident, The wicked couple mended their ways and led a good and virtuous lives ever after. So, what do you understand from this? We must work for our life. We never greedy to others. So, dear students, I have given the mind map for you. See this mind map and you have to write it in your note. See the mind map from the right side. An honest man and his wife lived with a pet dog. Dog went to the garden, stopped at a place, Bob. The couple dug there, found gold and silver. They became wealthy. Envious neighbor borrowed the dog, let into the garden. Dog stopped at a spot, sniffed, no treasure found. Dissatisfied, killed the dog. See this? The honest man felt sad about the death of his pet. Dog appeared in dream, suggested to make a mortar. Old man ground his rice in mortar. Each grain of rice turned into treasure. Wicked couple borrowed the mortar. The rice turned into filth, broke it and burnt it. Dog again appeared in dream. Honest man to take the ashes of burnt mortar, sprinkled on withered. Dead trees began to blossom. Prince gave him rich rewards. The neighbor also collected the ashes, went to the prince's place, scattered the ashes. Ashes flew into the prince's eyes, choked him. Dead trees didn't blossom. Envious old man was beaten by the servants of the prince. The honest couple sent for them, reproved them, gave them a share of their riches. Wicked couple mended their ways. So in the next slide, I will give summary. Okay. So you write the mind map and summary, and also you have to do the homework also. Study the mind map and fill in the blanks. Here I have given 3 mind map. So whatever I have given in the slides, you write the mind map fully and fill the answer in the dash. Okay. See the next second mind map and see the third mind map. Okay. Next one, answer the following questions. So this is the general questions. Bring out the difference between two neighbors with suitable examples to support your view. So you put the column, separate 2 column and write the difference between the two neighbors. Good old couple and greedy old couple. Then second question, do you like pets? Why? So Tamil medium students, I believe you are also understand the lesson. ஸோ நீயும் என்ன செஞ்சுருங்க, ஹோம்ஒர்க் எல்லாத்தையும் கரெக்டாக எழுதிடுங்க. மைண்ட் மேப்பு சம்மரி அடுத்து நான் கொடுப்பேன். சம்மரி இது எல்லாமே கரெக்டாக நோட்டில் போட்டு எழுதி வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல். தேங்க்யூ ஒன் அண்ட் ஆல்.